Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Friday Eve to each and every one of you. Today is the 14th of May. Welcome to it. My good things for today are my wife and my children and delicious food like homemade burritos and the Michael Jordan documentary, The Last Dance. I'm definitely loving that. Greta, do you want to be in this video? Another good thing right here. Greta in her softball sweatshirt. All right, your good things that you shared yesterday are Barney, dance classes, walks, new monitors, cookies, eggs, Ruffles, strawberry milk, fettuccine alfredo, ice cream, fresh pasta, kiwi, and cinnamon toast crunch. All right, today will be a short video looking at the assignment guide here. Here's the assignment guide in case you didn't realize this. You should have completed chapters 5 and 6, but since Tuesday, so make sure you are keeping up with your reading. And I would like you today and by next Tuesday, do chapters 7 and 8. Here are your response pages for 7 and 8. They are very standard. Title, summary, and a couple of questions for chapter 7. And then the same thing, title, summary, and a couple of questions for chapter 8. There is something I do want to touch on with you, however, and that is here in the middle of the book, I think that S.E. Hinton does kind of an amazing job with changing the setting to match and reinforce the tone of the novel, right? We have a couple of setting changes here when Ponyboy and Johnny go to hide out at the abandoned church, and then after the fire and stuff when they return home, back to home. And S.E. Hinton uses the setting to kind of reinforce this change in tone and sort of the emotional state that Ponyboy is in each of these places. So if you would, go back and reread the items from chapter 5 and 6, or parts of chapters 5 and 6, and look for how is the tone changing here, and how does the setting reinforce the tone that S.E. Hinton is making us feel in regards to how Ponyboy is feeling about where he is and what is going on in his life. And then note how it's different from before the killing of Bob and how it's once again different when they leave the church and go back home. So read carefully, be on the lookout for that. How does the author make you feel a certain way through Ponyboy's narration? Add your responses in that into your summaries here for chapter 7 or 8, or even go back to chapters 5 and 6 and note how the scenery, the setting is changing that tone. All right? That is all for today. Like I said, a short video. Please stay happy, healthy, and safe. Make sure you are keeping up with your reading, and bye-bye.